SB Finance, ang BFF na malalapitan.
Ay, nag-kiss sila. Kinilig ako. Ay, wait lang. Hindi ako sure.
Many years. This is a vintage matchup, Phil.
Yeah, vintage grabe. Pero it's always a classic match, you know.
Legendary matchup.
Yes, legendary from you.
Win 101 for Coach Sherwin Meneses. Watch out, Win-Win Marquez. We have a new winner, Win-Win Meneses. Go in the middle. Once mag-receive, siya rin papalo.
Who else does it?
Yeah.
And you.
Alam na. One day a week lang sila nagbablock.
Yes,
Nung panahon ko, 2 times.
Singling Princess Robles out. Very impressed with her during those tune-up
Takot
days.
sa kanya eh, kasi nga, lakas pumalo.
Form.
But I do miss her pink hair.
I told her this.
Saka semi-final.
On a side note, since we're talking about that, sige, tapusin muna natin.
Sige. Here you have 180 of previous 22 best of 3 series. Dami. Nabilang nyo pa yun. In fairness, may nagbibilang.
Meron.
Oo. Kanina pa tina-target ng Cherry Tigo sa reception si Eliza.
Actually, almost 2 dekada na yan. Hindi tina-target. Sanay na siya.
Perfect receive naman sila eh. Atake pa.